Assalamualaikum and good day everyone. My name is Umi Kalsum binti Nazar. Our group member consists of 5 students, which is myself, Nur Umaira binti Noriman, Mahfuza binti Baharin, Muhammad Fahmi Shazwan bin Sheikh Hamid, and Muhammad Amri Zuraimi bin Syarul Zaini. We are student year 4 Bachelor Degree of Mechanical Engineering from Faculty of Mechanical Engineering at Universiti Teknikal Malaysia Melaka. Our lecturer name is Dr. Ahmad Kamal bin Mat Yamin. This is our video presentation for subject Engineering Seminar Bmcu 4011. 3D printing. What is 3D printing? 3D printing is a process for making a physical object from three-dimensional digital model by adding layer by layer of material. 3D printer enables unprecedented design freedom while reducing time and cost. Furthermore, 3D printing is emerging as a technology that allows for environmental efficiency, both during the manufacturing process itself, where 90% of standard material can be recycled, as well as throughout the product life with lighter and stronger material. This is why 3D printing is getting more popular towards Industrial Revolution 4.0.
In this video, the topic of how 3D printing is changing the world has been discussed. 3D printer phenomenon started to grow among the industry like aviation, automotive, medical, healthcare, also in education. In the automotive industry, there are certain vehicles, factories and brands that have been into 3D printing. From the view of the medical industry, 3D printing gives a solution by an artificial organ as a transplant to the patient, and prosthetics became very affordable for the patients. The creation of patient 3D printing models can be applied to be one of the teaching materials in learning materials, as the student can learn physically from 3D models and able to understand more effectively. This creates both excitement and better understanding.
Nowadays, 3D printing technology is already changing the production of objects from tools to clothing and even body parts. It is also a part of process known as additive manufacturing, which an object is created by adding material layer by layer until have a fully formed structure. Based on the video given, Mr. Adrian Teo, which is having Creality and the 3Pros technology, are using fused deposition modeling called as FDM, which going through a process of heating a nozzle up to 200 degrees Celsius to melt a thermoplastic filament to its melting point and deposits it to the plate and extrude it layer by layer to create a 3D which will be instantly cools. However, the temperature of the nozzle will be depending on the material that is used, and the hot plate need to heat up so that the material will stick on top of the hot plate without drop off.
Now, I will talk about issues that impact engineering professionals regarding 3D printing. Firstly, 3D printer is not standardized. While 3D printing allows engineers to make single product at a low cost, it occasionally comes at price of quality. Next, the equipment and product costs are high. Unlike traditional manufacturing, the cost of making large quantity of specific product using 3D printing is expensive. Last but not least, the 3D printing knowledge gap. As 3D printing become more famous, there are enough people with skill required to develop, perform and operate the machine.
For the summary, 3D printing is getting more popular in our culture. 3D printing is a process for making a physical object from three-dimensional digital model. 3D printing also enables unprecedented design freedom while reducing time and cost. It also emerged a technology that allows for environmental efficiency. 3D printer phenomenon start to grow up in industry like automotive, healthcare and medical. Lastly, 3D printer can help people use their creativity while doing the customization.
That's all from us. Thank you for watching.